Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 30th June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 12 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Which city has topped the Global Livability Index 2024? Answer is Vienna. According to the Economist Intelligence Unit, EIU's Global Livability Index 2024, Vienna, the capital of Austria, has topped the index as the most livable city for the third consecutive year. Denmark's Copenhagen maintained its second position, while Switzerland's Zurich moved up from 6th place in 2023 to third on the 2024 list. No Indian city is ranked on the 2024 list of top 10 livable cities in the world. Question number 2. Who has won the 2024 Commonwealth Short Story Prize? Answer is Sanjana Thakur. Sanjana Thakur, a 26-year-old writer from Mumbai, won the 2024 Commonwealth Short Story Prize for her story, Aishwarya Rai. She will receive a cash prize of £5,000. Sanjana's story entitled Aishwarya Rai takes its name from the famed Bollywood actress to reimagine and reverse the traditional adoption story. Question number 3. Who has been appointed as the 35th Foreign Secretary of India? Answer is Vikram Misri. The Appointment Committee has approved the appointment of Vikram Misri as the 35th Foreign Secretary of India. He will succeed Vinay Mohan Kwatra and take charge on 15th July 2024. Vikram Misri is considered a China expert and was the ambassador to China from January 2019 to December 2021 during the Galwan Valley clashes. And now, you can purchase our monthly current affairs PDFs. Last 6 months, January to June 2024, current affairs PDFs available at 189 rupees only. You can check video's description for purchase link, or you can WhatsApp me for PDFs. Question number 4. Who has been appointed as the brand endorser of Bank of Baroda? Answer is Sumit Nagal. Bank of Baroda, a leading public sector bank in India, appointed Sumit Nagal, rising Indian tennis player, as its brand endorser. The other Bank of Baroda's endorsers include PV Sindhu, badminton star, and Shafali Verma, cricket icon. Sumit Nagal is an Indian professional tennis player. He is currently the number 1 ranked Indian player, with a career-high singles ranking of world number 71 achieved on 17 June 2024. Question number 5. Which state government will set up its first bioplastic park in Kumbhi village? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh government has decided to set up a bioplastic park in the state to deal with the problem of environmental pollution. The bioplastic park, to be developed on 1,000 hectares of land, will be constructed in Kumbhi village, Gola Gokarnath Tehsil, Lakhimpur Kheri district. The project will be developed with an estimated cost of 2,000 crore rupees. The state-based Balrampur Chini Mill will construct the proposed bioplastic park. Question number 6. Who become first Indian rate to secure 600 rupees crore sustainability-linked bonds from International Finance Corporation, IFC? Answer is Mindspace. Mindspace Business Parks Real Estate Investment Trusts has secured sustainability-linked bond worth 650 crore rupees from the World Bank member International Finance Corporation, IFC. It has become the first Indian real estate investment trust, REIT, to issue such bonds. The bonds have been issued for the tenure of 7 years, with final redemption date of 24 June 2031, at a coupon of 7.94% per annum, payable quarterly. Question number 7. Centre has extended the tenure of Nirab Kumar Prasad as the Chief Secretary of. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. The central government has approved the extension of the tenure of Nirab Kumar Prasad as Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh for an additional 6 months, with effect from 1 July 2024 to 31 December 2024. He has been serving as the Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh since 7 June 2024, succeeding K.S. Jawahar Reddy, who was transferred without a designated posting. Question number 8. As per NCR, what is India's GDP growth forecast for financial year 2025? Answer is 7.5%. The National Council of Applied Economic Research, NCR, forecasts India's financial year 2025 GDP growth at about 7.5%, driven by strong economic activity. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, raised its projections for India's gross domestic product, GDP, growth to 7.2% from 7% in financial year 2025. Question number 9. Doon School from which city was honored at the Indo-Norway International Education Summit 2024? Answer is Srinagar. Doon School Srinagar was honored with the Award for Transformative Education Excellence at Mind Mingles Indo-Norway International Education Summit and Awards 2024, held in Stortinget, Norway. This recognition celebrates the school's outstanding contributions to education, particularly under the leadership of its chairman, Shaukat Hussain Khan. Question number 10. Who has become the 18th Navratna Company of India? Answer is Mazago Dock. Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders has been granted Navratna status by the Department of Public Enterprises. It is now the 18th public sector undertakings in the country to receive this status. A Navratna company can undertake investments worth up to 1,000 crores rupees without needing approval from the central government. Question number 11. International Day of Parliamentarism is observed every year on. Answer is 30th June. The International Day of Parliamentarism, also known as World Parliament Day, is celebrated every year on 30th June. The theme of International Day of Parliamentarism 2024 is Parliamentary Diplomacy, Building Bridges for Peace and Understanding. The United Nations General Assembly designated 30th June as the International Day of Parliamentarism in 2018, commemorating the founding of the Interparliamentary Union, IPU, on this day in 1889. Question number 12. International Asteroid Day is observed every year on. Answer is 30th June. International Asteroid Day, observed annually on 30th June, is a global beacon of awareness and education about asteroids. The date marks the anniversary of the Tunguska event, the largest asteroid impact on Earth in recorded history, which occurred in Siberia in 1908. The theme for International Asteroid Day in 2024 is Guardians of Our Planet, the role of asteroids in Earth's history and future. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.